Hi folks, this is Jin and welcome to a new video in the tiny bathroom upstairs. Today I'm going to remove the remaining ceiling panels in order to complete the electrical wiring in this room. I have to remove this part and place the wires for the spots in the corresponding places. So it's naked. This is all can't be used as firewood. That goes to the recycling site in summer. Don't remember if I showed you, but I also installed sockets. Let's test them. Now let's remove the old cable pipes. They are not live anymore and unused. This is where the treasure is hidden, you know, the cross. Now I have light in the storage room. Okay, I marked the places where the spots will be with the level, but now let's verify with the laser if the markings are okay. They are quite accurate. Let's install another distribution box only for the lights, because there will be 6 lights connected and they would not fit in that small box. Since I have to connect like 2 lights on each side, and I have a 5 wire cable right here, I will reuse the old pipes, joining it here, and then fiddling like 2 wires to the left and 2 wires to the light. A 5th light will not use because it's like potential earth in these spotlights is never used. There are only 2 contacts, like nil and face, so I took one of these old pipes and just reused them. So that's where I will fix them. That's where the cable will join it from top, and let's see if that works out. Just need to make the hole a bit bigger. Just in case. For connections, I'm planning spots which have like tails for toolets, so that will be plenty. Right, so now I installed all of them. Those are already connected, the top ones, just to provide light. I would need to check with the phase checker if there is juice on the remaining 4 before I can really say that it is completed. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Also here, and also this one. Nice juice. Very good. So now I can start making the ceiling, making frames for the tubes, like beams, and then install drywall on top of it. But that will be in another episode. Thanks for watching and see you in another video. Goodbye.